Humanoid robots, machines that look, move, and even think like us. They represent the ultimate dream of robotics and artificial intelligence. But they're also one of the biggest challenges we face in technology today. So, what's the real story behind these incredible machines? In this video, we're going to uncover the hidden problems plaguing humanoid robots, from their technical struggles to the complex ethical questions they raise, and explore what it all means for our future. It all began with a simple yet profound dream, to create a machine that could live and work right alongside us, seamlessly integrated into our world. Early pioneers like Honda's Asimo and Boston Dynamics' Atlas absolutely stunned the world, showcasing robots with remarkably human-like motion. Now, a new wave of companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Agility Robotics are pushing the boundaries even further, building humanoids that can walk, carry objects, and even hold a conversation. The hype is undeniable, but behind all the impressive demos and futuristic promises lies a crucial question: are humanoid robots actually practical? Let's start with the mechanics. Walking like a human is something we take for granted, but it's an incredibly complex dance of physics and biology. Our bodies use a sophisticated network of sensors, joints, and muscles, all working in concert to adjust our balance with every single step, every millisecond. To even come close to replicating that, a humanoid robot needs hundreds of sensors, ultra-precise motors, and powerful AI algorithms just to stay upright. The problem: this setup is insanely complex, wildly expensive, and drains battery life like you wouldn't believe. Even the most advanced robots today can still be defeated by a simple set of stairs, a patch of uneven ground, or just the need to operate for more than a few hours at a time. It's a monumental engineering challenge. But movement is only half the battle. True intelligence is so much more than just walking around. To be truly useful, a humanoid robot needs to perceive, understand, and react to the constantly changing world around it. This requires a fusion of advanced AI vision, speech recognition, and sophisticated decision-making capabilities. Here's the catch: today's AI, as powerful as it is, still struggles with context and common sense. A human instantly knows how to react to a suddenly falling object or a loud, unexpected noise. A robot, on the other hand, often doesn't. That's why most humanoids you see are still operating on pre-programmed actions for specific tasks. Rather than demonstrating genuine, spontaneous understanding, they can follow a script, but they can't truly improvise. And then there's the cost. This is a huge reality check. Building a single, state-of-the-art humanoid robot can cost anywhere from $80,000 to well over $1 million. And that's just the initial price tag. When you factor in the ongoing costs of software updates, specialized maintenance, and the sheer amount of energy they consume, it becomes clear why they aren't taking over our workplaces just yet. For most industries, it's far more practical and cost-effective to use simple, specialized robotic arms. They might not look as cool, but they perform repetitive tasks flawlessly for a fraction of the cost. For now, humanoid robots are often more of a dazzling showpiece than a scalable workforce solution. Beyond the technical and financial hurdles, we run into the really deep questions, the ethical and social dilemmas. As humanoid robots become more and more lifelike, we're forced to confront some uncomfortable territory. Should they have rights? What happens to human jobs when a machine can do them just as well or better? And how do we, as humans, navigate our own emotional attachments to these machines? We also have to consider the uncanny valley effect. This is the phenomenon where a robot that looks almost human, but not quite, can make people feel deeply unsettled or even disturbed. Getting the look and feel just right is a delicate balancing act with profound psychological implications. So, is it all just a dead end? Not at all, despite these significant problems. The field of humanoid robotics is advancing at an incredible pace. Breakthroughs in AI learning models, new lightweight materials, and more efficient battery technology are helping them move more smoothly, react more intelligently, and operate for longer periods. But perhaps the ultimate solution isn't to create a perfect, one-to-one copy of a human. Maybe the real path forward is to focus on creating robots that complement our abilities rather than just mimicking them. The goal shouldn't be replacement, but collaboration. When you look at it that way, the problem with humanoid robots isn't that they ray a failure at us that our expectations have been shaped by science fiction. We dream of them being just like us, but they are, at their core, tools. They are machines designed to assist humanity, not replace it. The future of work and life probably won't be a competition between humans and robots. Instead, it will be a partnership. A world where we work together to achieve things we never could have accomplished alone. If you're as fascinated by AI and the future of robotics as I am, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more videos coming your way, exploring how technology is shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.